so bored, I just sent a bunch of flowers to my neighbour Steve with a note that reads, "I still miss you. Love, Laura. Kiss, kiss, kiss." I guess his wife just found them. Sorry, Steve. I was bored.
I be popping bottles, sparkles and champagne. VIP my section, royalty looking sexy, you know that be.
Cause I'm fly like a jet. They gon' be surprised when they see I made this beat, baby Tifu and Kanye West. As long as the hoe outside with the zoo shit never see home.
Don't listen to them. You don't have to be the bad guy.